you know about Discovery Education and you've been using this platform to show videos through the projector in your classroom. But with the move to personalized learning, it is great when we can actually put all of this on the student device and students can move through these in small group situations or independent situations. So if you have never set up a class in Discovery Education, you will want to do that. Let me show you very quickly how to do that. It's very simple. From your home page, once you've logged in with your Google Single Sign-On, you can go to this left menu bar and go down to Classroom Manager and click that. When you click it, if you have classes, you will see those classes populated here, and we'll come back in another video and look at how to edit and add and remove students from existing classes. But to create a class, you're simply going to go to Create a Class. You will name your class. I'm going to just make up a name, Core 1, provide a description if you choose to. And then scroll down, because this is where you will actually add your students. You are going to use the option to add from school roster. Batesburg-Leesville Elementary School roster, this is populated on a nightly sync with PowerSchool, so new students will appear in here. But just because they're in this roster, Discovery Education does not know that they need to belong to your class so that they can receive your assignments. That is what you have to do by creating a class. So you don't have to enter them manually. You simply go and you search for students. I'm going to search for Vault Night because I know we have Vault Nights in our school. So if I need to add Carter to my class, I've searched, I click go, I see Carter, I click, and you'll notice that Carter populates over here. Maybe I need to, I'm not sure what, I don't want to add that Carter Boatwright. I want to add the Carter Boatwright that has this Google Single Sign-On right here. I'm not sure why that's still in there. James Vault Night and Riley Vault Night. I'm populating my class with these 3 Vault Night children. So you would continue to add students in this fashion. I'm going to add Michael Lorick here. And my class will populate over here. It is very important that you see all of your students over here, because when you make assignments in Discovery Education, if they are not in here, they will not be able to access those assignments through Discovery Education. That's very important. Once you've done this, then you need to click this Save button, and that is actually going to add your kids to the class. Likewise, if there are kids in here that you need to remove, let's say I don't need Riley in this class, just take her out, click the X, and take her out. So once your class is populated correctly, you click the Save button. And it will say successful. What do you want to do? Create another class or return to previous page? And I'm simply going to return to my previous page. So now you can see I have a class that I played with a long time ago in 2016, and here's my new Core 1 class. That's how simple it is to create a class and to get your students populated into that class.